Good morning, Bear. Bear and I are out for our early morning walk, and the sun is just now starting to come up.
Today is errand day, so we have a bunch of errands to run. We need to go fill up the truck, and I'm sorry if it's bumpy and noisy. We have to go fill up the truck with diesel. We need to get propane. We need to stop at Walmart and refill prescriptions. Then we need to go get laundry done, and then go back to Walmart, pick up the prescriptions, and get groceries. That's a full day.
It's a handful.
Handful of errands to run. Yes, it is. Oh my goodness. Ogilvy Road is not bumpy. Without
very smooth.
very smooth. Or level or any of those things. Okay, so come along with us as we run our errands as part of our RV life. Bear's along for the ride too, huh, baby bear? You like to go for a ride in the truck. Huh, honey? It's another beautiful day. Yesterday was really nice. We got to spend some time sitting outside. Went for a little walk. More and more people are coming to the desert. More of full-timers, I think, huh? Because there were a lot of vacationers here over the holidays, doing like over here where they pay for the dunes. So here is the exit that we take to go to the dump station when we stay at Ogilvy Road. It's at a Chevron, and it is $15 for 30 feet or longer to dump. I'm sorry?
$10 under.
And $10 for under that size. So it's real easy to get to. It's right there where that little camper is, if you could even see it. Pretty convenient, and then we just go back to the rest area and fill up on water.
Yeah, it's a California rest area. The water's real good, so there's no issues with the drinking water.
Nope, it is regulated by state of California. Even at the Chevron station, they have a water intake there, and it says that it is not California certified safe. So you can't get your fresh drinking water from there. They have the kiosks where you can pay $1/4 for a gallon or $1 for 5 gallons. So this is the agricultural station that you have to go through when entering California.
Bug station.
Bug station. I think we've mentioned that before in our videos. They have them up near Truckee too. Well, they have them all around the highways and roads going into California from any other state. You want to make sure you're not bringing any bugs in that's going to harm their agriculture. Kind of a hazy day out off in the distance. So right now we're at the Loves. This is the Loves at, what is it? Avenue 3E. Avenue 3E exit. It's a Loves. And we come here to get propane. And today we got diesel also. So Tom's out there with the propane guy. It's a busy little truck stop, that's for sure. But the prices are reasonable here. And then it's easy for us to leave from here and head over to the Walmart on South Pacific Avenue that we like to go to. So that's errand 1 and 2 put together in one errand by getting the propane and diesel at the same place. Ah. Bear, what you doing? Hi, honey. Hi. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. Where's Daddy? Huh? Daddy getting propane? They also have a Godfather's pizza and, oh, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, and a Chester's chicken here. So if you're hungry, there's what your food options are. Okay.
Boy, I'm worn out.
Are you worn out from sitting in the truck with Bear, waiting for me to do the laundry? So the light's hitting me kind of funny. But, so I just got done doing laundry. It was $2.25 here per load.
That's a lot.
That's a lot compared to what we're used to paying,
yeah,
which is like $1.75, I think.
Yeah,
pretty much on average, and $1.50 drying. But actually, the drying, I put in 75 cents each load, so I only used $1.50 to dry because they've got big, good dryers, and I was able to put like 2 loads in each one. But got it done, and something that we've been having troubles with, because we just use cards and we never use cash and we don't write checks, so it's hard to come across cash when you need it for such things as like the laundry or dump stations that only take cash or stuff like that. So so what I did today was I was able to get some cash back when I went to Walmart earlier to get the laundry soap. And then just now, because the gal at the register only gave me 20s, I used a 20 and got $20 worth of quarters. So I figured I have quarters now, and it felt like I was playing a slot machine because you put the 20 in and it gives you all back quarters and it's clink, 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 clink. The old-fashioned slot machines, that is, that used to do money. Now they just do pieces of paper. But it was... So I did that because that way if I need to do laundry again, I have the quarters already, and if we just need cash for something else, I at least have it. It might be in quarters, but at least I have it, you know, broken down. So that, how do you guys get your cash? Here in Yuma, there aren't any Bank of America, so we can't even go to the bank to get money.
We can. There's just a huge service charge. It's between $6 and $10 for us. It's not worth it.
No, And even like to drive to El Centro, it's not even a real Bank of America. It's like a financial center. They don't even have a Bank of America there anymore.
So if you don't use Bank of America,
yeah.
What do you do?
My arm's breaking. Yes, what do you do? I know there are casinos around here you can get cash from, but I'm not sure what the charges are for those. So it is a little problem. So from now on, whenever we come across any way that we can use cash or obtain cash,
maybe we'll just find a sack of money someplace and that'll solve the problem.
Ooh, I'll find a money tree somewhere, huh? Now it's time to go grocery shopping. Fun stuff. Onward, driver.
That's all I do. I drive.
Fair, do you not have any room? We have groceries for a month and a half.
We have groceries for a month and a half, or an army of 2.
Supper for tonight, because it's already late and I'm exhausted. Yep. Well, we're going to the queue where everything is extremely expensive. So I was like, okay, we'll stock up now.
We're on our way to Quartzsite here. Probably when you see this, we'll be on our way to Quartzsite that day.
Yeah.
The Thursday, Throw Up Thursday.
Oh,
So,
I'm hot and I'm tired.
well, I know you're hot.
Thirsty.
Well, break out some wine.
Yeah, we have some of that. We're
How about
stocking up on that too.
How about a juice box on the way home?
Juice box, no. At home, not on the way home.
Okay.
But yeah, we're stocked up on food and paper plates and paper bowls and paper towels for our next month and a half in the desert with no resources.
Sup, Bear? You ready? Let's hit it.
Yeah, look at you, you're buried in laundry and groceries. Welcome to being in a family, bud. Little girl.
Little girl, Bud. She has no clue.
Yes, I do. Tom's helping bring in all the groceries, you know, in these flimsy,
Turn that crap off.
These flimsy white bags. And he's putting like 10 of them in his hands, and then he can't lift them up to put them in the house. So he's flinging them, aren't you? And he's losing half the stuff on the ground. Gotta get this stuff.
Bear's got sausage all over her mouth.
Does she?
Seriously.
Oh yeah, sure. I'm sure she does. Good morning. Good morning. It's a very early morning for us anyway.
Not really.
For us retired people.
Watch it.
It's early. Whoa. And we are headed to a breakfast that the Alfa Owners Club, it's the Alfa Owners, right?
Yes.
In the Yuma area. So the Alfa, the brand of our RV, they have a club meeting or breakfast.
Once a month.
Once a month.
From November to April.
On Tuesday mornings.
The second Tuesday of every month.
Yep. So we are here to go to breakfast. And hopefully we'll be seeing some of these people at the Roadrunner rally in a couple weeks. So it'd be a good chance to meet some of them ahead of time if any of them are going. Still brought our coffee with us though.
Yeah. But this also means I get bacon this morning. No oatmeal.
Yeah. Watch, they'll only have oatmeal for breakfast.
We'll sell that rig if that's the case.
No.
Oh, back door. There you go.
Oh, thanks, sir.
Go ahead. Oh, you're just a road runner.
Yeah, unfortunately, a lot of people here.
Okay, so there's a lot of people here at this Alfa breakfast. But I was looking at the menu, and I'm going to get the meat lovers omelet with bacon, sausage, and ham, hash browns, toast, and jelly. But I'm also going to say, I need to make sure there's eggs in this omelet, please.
I'm kind of looking at the Belgian waffle.
Is it loud enough in here? Tom. This is my wife, Lori, and we have a '05 Alfa Sia fifth wheel that we bought on consignment, used in 14 from the original owner who had it in Canada. So we figured, okay, it'll stay warm in the winter. It was good until it got down to 0. We've been traveling since full-time since the end of 2015. We're into our 4th year and we freaking love it.
Well, that was fun. A fun breakfast, fun little get-together meeting thing. It was nice meeting a bunch of these people.
Yeah,
So
fun.
it was fun. I think
Your camera's dirty again, or black.
what?
You need some light on
The
the
sun
subject.
is shining right in our faces.
Then put it on you, because I'm in the dark all the time, because I'm just the driver.
Mushroom you. That's not working either. Whatever.
Just on you. There you go.
So that was fun.
Beauty in the driver is what we call this video.
No. It was great meeting a lot of other Alfa owners. However, I do believe we are the only ones with a fifth wheel. Everybody else there, what, about 50 people, I think they about counted.
Everybody had motorhomes.
We're the only fivers. And it's so funny because I asked a lady that. I said, are we the only fivers here? And she says, the only what? The only fifth wheel. Everybody else has motor coaches. So, but that's okay. We're still part of the Alfa Sia family.
That's right.
Ta-da! There you are. How were your eggs?
I had eggs. And they brought eggs. The only thing they forgot this time was the toast.
Yeah, you were halfway through your breakfast by the time you got it. But it was really, really busy. So
Yeah,
they
it was.
actually had to get another waitress to come help.
Yep.
But that was cool. It's always fun to meet other people that have like the same make and, well, just the same make as you do. Bear is happy that we are home.
Oh, that's my baby.
Hi, honey.
Come on. Bear.
Kaylee's like, feed me.
Come here.
Right, Kaylee?
Come here.
Is that what you want? Mwah.
That's a good girl.
Yes. Hi, honey. Do you have to go outside and go potty?
Except for the heartless stroke.
That was close. Poor Kaylee probably went running.